The second story, it's UXProt 5115, flexible circulation rules. So first of all, we need to be able to populate new agencies, and a new endpoint has been added. It's DCB system, schedule allocations, refresh request. And the structure of this request, it's two blocks. First one, it's agencies. Second one, it's locations. Locations provides more flexible approach to customize circulation rules based on location of one library branch, but agencies can be used as well because they provide basically access to customized circulation rules based on the library level. So we can perform this request. And on the first call, some of the entities will be created, some of the entities will be updated. So as you can see right now, there is 3 location was created. This one corresponds to agency because agency doesn't have locations, and it creates the full structure of institution, campus, library, and location. But location creates 3 levels of hierarchy. In FOLIO, it will represent institution, campus, and library, and location will be part of this library. And if we repeat this action again, all of these entities will be skipped because this endpoint is idempotent, and the first call will populate data in the FOLIO system, but second calls will just try to update it or skip entities if they already exist. The primary source of the data, right now we are suggesting to use manual approach. Give me 1 second, it's not the correct tab. And the main idea to use these endpoints as a source for this data. So first step could be manual when the system manager will pull the data using credentials for the agencies API or locations API and prepare some dataset using scripts or manually to populate this data further. And additional step, it's right now in the refinement stage, that it could be customizable using settings page. Okay, and let's move on to the actual part. And give me 1 second, I will show how the circulation rules could be updated for this location. By the way, data will be only available here for these shadow locations and not anywhere else. So this is backward compatible approach. So we will choose this library, and for example, we will just copy the previous data. So it will be loan policy 3 days, request policy for DCB, no notices will be sent, daily overdue, and last item fee policy is DCB. So we can update this one. Yep. And we will use this location as a source for creating borrower transaction. Okay, so we need to populate it using here for lending library code. It's this field already exists for DCB API, and we just need to generate new transaction ID. I will use the second item because this one already exists. And this request should be successful. It was collision with existing item in the system. Okay, as we can see, the transaction has been created, and we can update the status to item checked out to see the loan for this item. the operation has been done, and let's find this user in inventory. So we have two open laws, and this is the second item we've created. And as you can see, we have 3 days loan policy, overdue fine policy daily, and lost item fee policy test DCB. Basically, that demonstrates that these loans were not populated by default, but from the circulation rule that we defined earlier. And that's it from me. Thank you very much.